Uncrewed aerial systems or drones are disruptive technology that are reshaping industries worldwide. Drone use is increasing rapidly, and it's my mission to make drone science entertaining and accessible. Before we start, I want to share something that can transform your drone program. We've worked with over 50 enterprise programs and found the exact factors that separate struggling operations from those that deliver millions in ROI. We've put these insights into our free Enterprise Drone Program Maturity Assessment. It's a $2,500 value. It's designed to show you your program's maturity stage, reveal your top 3 quick wins, and give you a roadmap for growth. Don't miss out on this free opportunity. The link is in the description. Hey everyone. Jason San Souci, Do No Drones podcast. I lied to you. I actually have one more super cool 12th micro podcast, super secret podcast just for you. Here at the Commercial UAV Expo, Las Vegas, Nevada, I'm here with the man, the myth, the legend, the founder, Grand Poobah, Grand Seer at UAS Nexus, Bobby Sakaki.
Thank you, pleasure to meet you. Thanks so much for this opportunity, man. I've been such a fan of what you've been doing for a long time. This is a dope setup, by the way. This is awesome.
I appreciate that, dude. Micro podcast. It's a question.
Okay, for sure.
And I want you to come with your full Bobby Sakaki-ness.
All right, sure.
Okay, I like that. It's not a word, but it needs to be. It's kind of like that tech and yeah, it's good. It's good. Okay, so the question is, look, we've been doing this a long time. There are some good things that are happening in the drone industry.
For sure.
Cool. I want to talk about what's going wrong.
Oh man,
I know, and I'm like, this is the guy.
So negative. I mean,
this is the guy. No, I say go.
Globally, I think there is not enough investment from the U.S. government in this industry. I'm not talking about defense. I'm just talking about just general industrial base to build these things. So, like, I've said this for years too. Until we can build this product at scale, the iPhone with the same quality as we can do the drones, China's going to be ahead. And this is my worry, is that many folks are trying to raise money in defense right now. I got respect for them, but look at the show. A lot of the really compelling tech, you look at where it's made, you're like, oh, wow. Like, it's concerning. I am worried that we aren't doing enough to build the industrial base specifically. Big Beautiful Bill or American Drone Dominance Act. I think a lot of it's misleading, to be frank with you. And yeah, it's just people have complained for so long about DJI getting subsidies, and it's like, bro, where are subsidies? You know, and I'm not trying to sound like a socialist, but like, investing in this technology is pretty important, especially as national security related. We look at critical infrastructure, public safety, all that stuff. We should probably be doing that. Yeah, there's been a lot of mistakes, and I think the regulatory capture piece, honestly, like the lobbying thing, doesn't do anybody any good. Like the Skydio X10, I think, is one of the best American-made drones out there, and I actually think if there wasn't for any of the regulatory, whatever, the bad taste people have in their mouths about the lobbying, Skydio's adoption rate would have increased tremendously. I think it would have quartered more of the market. But man, that doesn't stop the Chinese from making better drones and also arming our adversaries. And that's my biggest beef. It's like, oh man, this ban for DJI that you guys are trying to do, it's not going to help us make better drones here stateside.
No, 100% agree. Look, we just heard you on a panel with 3 other people that I interviewed right in here, and you're spot on. Like, listen, you listeners, viewers, this man speaks the truth. The problem, you've said it so succinctly. It's like, look, like, no bullshit. The problem is that we are getting in our own way.
Yeah, for sure.
We're getting in our own way. It will take a massive collaborative, not even collaborative. It can be cooperation. Cool, man. Like, that's fine. It can totally do that to be able to get us there. But we need to take these steps, and we need to take them in the right way. We need to take them now.
Yeah, I mean, we should have taken them 10 years ago. And
yeah,
I'm worried.
Well, clearly.
Somebody was very sincerely used to work at DJI. We work with part of UAS Nexus. He's like, dude, China's been ahead by like 15 years for the last 15, 20 years. And I don't see that gap closing anytime soon. And if you look at humanoid robotics, it's even more concerning. Like, you look at the Unitree stuff, compared to what Figure, Tesla, all these other companies are trying to make, it's like, oh, what's going down? And I hate, unfortunately, the industry has pivoted a little bit towards defense, just because that's where the money's at right now, but that's where the urgency is. We have to think about creating the building blocks, not just for the defense industry. For drones is built on the same industrial base as the mapping, inspection, all the stuff you do, right? And so how can we find a way to consolidate that, expand that, make it optimal, and then really collaborate with, I think, global and regional allies from across the world to help the United States stand on its own legs when it comes to this tech.
That's what we need conferences about.
I hope so. Hey, I'm going to try and do one. I'll bring you to that.
That would be amazing.
Yeah, I'd like
That's awesome.
Appreciate
Guys,
your time, man.
Ladies, gentlemen, Bobby Sakaki.
Thank you.
That's it from the Commercial UAV Expo. Jason San Souci, Do You Know Drones podcast. We'll catch you next time. See ya.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it.